Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Zoho Books login problems, account and tax errors step by step clearly. If you're having trouble logging into Zoho Books, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Next, confirm that you are entering the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. You will receive an email with instructions to reset your password. Follow those instructions to create a new password. If you're still unable to log in, clear your browser cache and cookies. Restart your browser and try logging in again. If the problem persists, try using a different browser or device. Make sure that your browser is updated to the latest version. Check if there are any ongoing issues with Zoho servers by visiting their status page. If your account has been locked due to multiple failed login attempts, you may need to wait a short period before trying again. In cases of tax errors, ensure that your tax settings are correctly configured in Zoho Books. Review your account for any pending actions or updates that might need your attention. If necessary, consult Zoho's help documentation or community forums for further troubleshooting tips. When all else fails, contact Zoho support for personalized assistance with your login issues. Make sure to provide them with detailed information about the error you are encountering. This will help them resolve your issue more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.